Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 12th November 2025, Nifty index opened on a positive note, and after sinking to 25,450 in the first half, it later recovered unilaterally and established the bullish stance. Smart buying was seen at the lower levels, and the index crossed 25,700 to close near its higher band with gains of around 120 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily scale and longer lower shadow, indicating that buying has started from the lower levels. It has started to form higher highs from the last two trading sessions. India VIX was up by 1.5% to 12.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.08. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,200 to 26,100 levels, while immediate range is in between 25,500 to 25,900 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 557 crores, and DIIs were buyers worth 1,854 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 12.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,650 for the momentum to continue towards 25,950 levels, while supports have shifted higher to 25,550 zones. Talking about Bank Nifty, this index has to hold above 57,750 for the next up move towards 58,577 levels, while on the downside, support can be seen at 57,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in BHEL, Biocon, HCL Tech, JSW Steel, BEL and Oro Pharma, while some weakness could be seen in Bajaj Finserv, Divi's Lab, CG Power, Crompton, Havells and Apollo Hospital. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.